Have they mentioned here? They haven't mentioned here at all. They've said Modin. It's a long way away. They did mention Jerusalem? Yeah, I'm going in the hallway then. So the idea is that we wait here for 10 minutes, but Butch likes to stay in there and film. If you can get a film of the pops, he does. And this is very stinky down here in this basement. I don't think they ever clean the toilets properly down here. We come down here to the synagogue. It was fine on Saturday actually, but anyway. The synagogue is where all the internationals meet on a Saturday morning, Christian internationals. So that's that. And the siren has stopped now. So I'm supposed to wait 10 minutes before I go back, but I probably won't wait that long. Anyway, I thought I'd give you a flavour of it.